Me and Ben are about to watch The Bachelor, and I'm making him do one of those foot peel masks with me. It's the Lavinso foot exfoliation peeling mask. So this is what it looks like, and then you just put it on your foot for an hour. They're on. The little tape is not really sticking to stay on, but now I keep them on for an hour. Okay, so I first started filming this on Monday night, and it's now Saturday night, and I honestly forgot about it, and I didn't think it was working. But look at my freaking feet. They are peeling so much. It's like glue. Yeah. This is so gross. Ew. Okay, here's the other foot. Ew. Ew. Oh, I got a good one. This is nasty. Ben just had the audacity to say that I don't have good foot care like he does because his feet haven't started to peel. Okay, so now it's Monday and my feet have stopped peeling. They are so soft. I'm not going to show you because no free foot content. I mean, besides the videos of my feet peeling, it's like a little different. I think you can get it on Amazon. I definitely recommend. Definitely try it like with a friend, a partner. Kind of fun, kind of gross, but if you're into that stuff like I am, it's pretty cool.